I made Chefdads buttermilk fried chicken for Sunday dinner and it was delicious. I'm having it with Jamaican gungo peas and rice and some broccoli. Now I'm adding a tablespoon of my homemade green seasoning to this pot because I'm getting it ready for the chicken. So we will immerse the chicken in this and let it simmer for about 8 to 10 minutes to soak up all the goodness of the seasonings before we get to the frying part. And if you're curious about what I have in my green seasoning, I will leave the video at the end for you, so go take a look at it. I hope you're still here with me. It's now time to season and fry up this chicken. So right now I should be adding buttermilk to my pan, but I have to improvise because my buttermilk was spoiled. So I check out the Google and it says to use yogurt and milk, so I'm just making up this combination right there. So that's buttermilk. So to the buttermilk I'm adding some garlic butter seasoning, garlic powder, white pepper, just like Chefdads is using. A little bit of difference between my seasoning is chili pepper, smoked paprika, all-purpose seasoning, and we're gonna whisk that well until it becomes creamy. And this is how it should look. Well mixed, well creamed. So that's our chicken cooled down from boiling. You have to make it cool off, and then you're gonna douse everything now in the stretch. Get everything covered and nicely marinated. If you have time, you can leave it in the fridge for whichever time you want, even overnight. I didn't really have time, so I just left it for about 30 minutes or so. So get everything covered and dredged. So now we're gonna make this the dry dredge. So from the wet dredge to the dry dredge, and you add the same seasonings in the dry. The chicken seasoning, paprika, garlic powder, and all that goodness, and a little bit of salt to get it together nicely. You whisk that around. I have to add my seasonings to my oil. That's how we do it. You have to season the oil, baby. Season the oil. Yeah. Then you get the dry dredge on. I always say flour the chicken. Make sure your oil is hot. You test it however you test. We don't use a thermometer. We just drop a little piece of something or use a little water to test it. And good. And so chicken is frying up. And you have to be careful when you're making buttermilk. You can't. It will burn very easily, so you have to really watch the temperature after you drop them. But this is boneless and it was like half cooked, so you know, just give it less time than what you would really give it if you have bone in. And my bad, I also use a little baking powder in the dry dredge. Thank you, Chefdads, for the recipe. I put a spin on mine because that's how we do it. And then I'm leaving everything in the toaster oven to keep warm until dinner. Everything else is ready and we're ready to have the dinner. And this is the dinner. Buttermilk fried chicken, Jamaican style gungo rice and peas, and steamed broccoli. Thank you for watching, and I'm gonna leave my playlist right up here. Please give it a watch. Give me a strength. Thank you so much. See you in my next one. Bye.